Yo, what is going on YouTube? I don't know, I'm just holding the camera a little funny way right now, so if this is a good angle, let me know. If it's not a good angle, I probably won't even put it in the video. But regardless, hey, real quick, I recorded this a while ago. That's why I mentioned some parts that I already mentioned in another video that I've already received. But this is just a little quick reaction video, a little quick unboxing that I did out on M-Tech Performance. So y'all just check that out, man. Check out this video. Let me know how you like it. All right, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, like, subscribe, share it. You already know. Put on the notification bell so that any new videos, you know, they pop up for y'all. Regardless, the 5 Series is almost done, as we already know. So if y'all want to see any specific videos, man, coming with this car, let me know down in the comments. Get at me. Whoever's down the runner, bro. I'm in Florida. I'm in Miami area, Broward area, you know what I'm saying? So holla at me, I'm down. We'll throw something down, you know what I'm saying? When the car's obviously finished. When I say it's finished, that's when it's gonna be finished, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna be like, yo, let's race, let's run it whenever you think it's finished, because it's not finished. But yeah, yo, check out this video. Let me know how you like it. Yeah, let's get it. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rue Money, back with the Better Sweet Life. And today, man, today's a special day. Today's a day I've been waiting for a very long time. You know, it's something that I didn't think was gonna happen so quickly. Thankfully it did, you know, thank God it did. And, you know, I thank those who helped, those who didn't, you know, middle fingers to you, but it is what it is, you know. So right now we're just gonna go and pick up, or not pick up, I lied. We're just gonna go open up some stuff. Some stuff. So we opening up. I'm gonna keep that as a little surprise real quick. I mean, you guys probably already know by the title, but whatever. Hold on, man. That color is crazy. It's like an emerald green, but it looks black. This is sick. C63S. Transmission came in. Oh damn, you got a joke too.
Damn, that boy got the shirt and the stickers.
The shirt. Hey yo. Hey yo. So y'all just saw a little bit of unboxing of the transmission, man. All right, that is the pure Drivetrain's solution transmission. You hear me? That's what I'm talking about. Yo, listen, I'm super excited. I ain't even much gonna lie. Like, thank you. It's an XL, and like, I don't fit it. But my girl does. When she's home with nothing under it, like a house dress. But it's okay, man. House dresses are better than nose dresses. I lie. Nose dresses are better than, yeah, whatever. Anyways, that was a flop. That didn't go right. That wasn't right. Anyways, we just gonna erase that. Or I ain't gonna erase it. I ain't gonna edit it out, man. bloopers is bloopers, funny, you know, whatever. So, man, I'm super excited. I don't know if y'all can tell, like, I'm excited. Like, hear me. Fuck. That's exciting. It's expensive and exciting, and like, I love the stickers. Can't wait to put their stickers on my laptop, on my iPad. I sticker on my laptop, my iPad. I hate stickers on cars, man. Like, I'm not a fan of stickers on cars. On my cars, I think it looks cool on other cars. I ain't even much gonna lie. Like, some JDM cars, and they got, you know what I'm saying, like the K&Ns and like the sponsors, stuff like that. I think it looks dope, even though you're not sponsored by these people, which is stupid, but you got love for the company. I get it. You got love for the company. I got love for companies too. They don't give a shit about me. They just wanted my money, but I love their products. So, you know, gotta love them as a company. Yeah. So I'm excited, man. So I'm not gonna tell y'all what stage it is. At the end of the day, that's just, you know, giving too much information on some power numbers that I don't want to be giving out right now. That's gonna be some top secret stuff, man. Top secret sauce. I ain't really gonna be telling people all that. You know, I like to have fun with the car. I want to race a car. I want to race some of the faster people out there. But regardless, man, like, I ain't really gonna be giving out the power numbers or what stage of pure drivetrain I got. The reason why is because I really don't want to give that information out. It'll be too close to the numbers, or, you know, give you guys an idea of the numbers that I'll be making on the car as of right now. Like I've told y'all, I don't want to give that information. I want to disclose that information as of yet. Just know I will be the fastest 535i F10, hopefully in the world, and that's what I'm going for in the world. But as of right now, it's going to be, from what I've seen, research I've done, people I've spoke to, you know, and yeah, like, nobody really does that build on this car because it's such a big body car. But shit, if a Hellcat can do it, why the fuck can't I, right? So we're just gonna go for it. Those few of y'all that might have been keeping up with the videos, that might have caught up, or, you know, kept up or whatnot, you know that I might have said, you know, I'm trying to get the transmission. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, yada yada yada. It was a gift, man. I didn't even get it for myself. It was a gift. My girl got it for me, so thanks to her. I appreciate you, but that definitely wasn't me. I ain't even gonna lead y'all to believe that I did that by myself. I definitely didn't do it. Definitely didn't have the money to do it. But luckily, I got it done before the car is done, so that way, you know, I'm not really spending money again on removing the transmission and, you know, having to send it out and then put it back in and doing all that stuff. So instead of doing all that, I just decided to get it done now. I'm still waiting on the block, so until I don't get the block, I really can't do nothing. Today I was planning on I'm gonna see if I can still call I forget what to call, man. Cosmic, I don't know, man, I forgot. It's the head gaskets. I'll let y'all know what it is. It's for the head gaskets. Cometic, that's what it's called. Cometic. C-O-M-E TIC, I don't know, whatever. T-I-C. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get some head gaskets from them. I spoke to my tuner, or the guy that I want to tune the vehicle. He told me that I should just go with stock compression on the vehicle, even though I'm gonna be built the way that I'm gonna be built. He said keep stock compression on the engine. I said okay. I have no idea what that means in head gasket form, so I need to call them and figure that out before I make the purchase on that. Damn, I can't see how to turn because everybody's in the way. I could have turned, but I couldn't see because of the cars. Anyways, so yeah, man, so I need to call Cometic, try to get the head gaskets from them. I also need to get my drivetrains. Damn, man, I can't even speak right now. I think I'm just so excited I can't even speak, like, for real. Like, I can't speak. My drive shaft, I need to get my drive shaft. I need to get my axles. So my axles, I was already speaking to Tad over at the drive shaft shop. He told me to just send over my axles So I bought some new axles so I can send it over to them, or newer axles, so I can send it over to them, and they start on that. And then I need to talk to Seth on Monday, if he's in on Monday, about the drive shaft, because I can't fill out that form worth a like I can't. Like I can't. Like I really can't. Like that thing is, it's asking me so many questions I've never heard nothing about. Like I'm just super confused about what they're asking me. So reality is I have no idea what they're asking me, and I need to talk to Seth to see if he can help me out with that information to get the drive shaft built. Besides that, it's just save up money for the tune. So save up money for the axle, drive shaft, and tune. I want to go with a big brake kit, even if it's a stock M5 big brake kit. I'm looking into that. I'm talking to some people on eBay, and hopefully I could get a good deal on some big brakes, because after pushing all that power, like, even though I have like a big brake setup kind of thing, if you want, like, not really. All right, so here's what I did. I did steel braided brake lines, which obviously takes off a lot of that mush, and it's obviously not going to expand the lines when they're too hot. So that's really good to have. I also got racing pads. The racing pads, definitely a lot more dust, but they also have like they're a lot more resilient to the heat, so I don't get a lot of that brake fade that I was getting when I was first going to the meets at just stage 2, off the shelf 2. So I'm trying to get an M5 big brake kit. Hopefully that'll work. From my understanding, it has like a rear, the rear caliper is like 6 piston, or that's the front caliper, whatever it is. This is six piston, and then the front or the back is just like that 1 piston or whatever, which should be okay as long as the 6 pistons in the back, which would make sense. But whatever. So yeah, man, we're slowly getting there, slowly doing things, slowly trying to get things done. You know, transmission done, axles are ready in the talks, so I need to send those out. Those can be done, and then the drive shaft. Man, I can't wait to be finished. I can't wait to be finished, y'all, for real. So I'm gonna see y'all next video. That was just a little update on what I got today. And yeah, man, we'll talk soon.